Hi there, Kristen here, and I'm the founder of Roots of Radiance Reiki. I've worked with Reiki for the past 6 years. I've been trained by 3 different teachers to work with this energy, teach this energy, and I'm really excited to be able to share some of the Reiki with you today. So today I want to share a Reiki healing experience to help us connect with the energy of water, to help us connect with the ancient energy of water, while also connecting with and honoring the water that lives within us, flows within us, is us. Reiki is a form of high vibrational energy. It is spiritually wise and unconditionally loving, and it is here to support us in transforming ourselves and this world and freeing ourselves from past limitations and liberating ourselves from illusion. Reiki is really wonderful at helping us to generate feelings of peace and calm by helping our nervous systems to unwind. It is a lovely ally for healing past traumas, generational trauma, past life stuff. It can alleviate physical and emotional pain and bring more ease, balance into our lives. And it can also help us to connect more deeply with ourselves and with this cosmic world, this universe, right? Cosmic forces, life force. Yeah. All right. So to get started, I encourage you to get somewhere comfy. You can be seated, you can be laying. If you wish, I encourage you to sit somewhere where you can be held. We can lean back and surrender a little bit. But really, wherever you are, you can receive this. So to get started, let's go ahead and let our eyes gently close if that feels right. Closing our eyes is a great way to invite our mental energy to go within, right? To invite a little bit of quiet and to really just alert ourselves that this is a pause. This is a moment that we're going to rest and receive. If it feels right, you can also place hands on your body or just have your hands gently in your lap. Let's take a few breaths here, just letting ourselves land. Maybe you want to shake a little bit, sway, reposition, whatever feels right for you to get settled and grounded in this moment. I invite the Holy Fire Reiki to work with each of us who is witnessing this recording and experiencing this. I ask that the Reiki put us in a column of light and help us connect more deeply with the energy of water. Go ahead and take a breath in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Another breath in through your nose here. And out through your mouth. If it feels right, I invite you to have a gentle sway here as we get grounded. We're connecting with the energy of water. And water is ever flowing, ever changing, right? Water flows within us. And bringing that little flow can really just help us to tune into this energy. Even as we prepare to work with water, I invite you to set your roots down. Take a couple breaths here. Bring your awareness to your hips, the base of your spine, to that space in between your hips. And imagine that roots are going out, out, out through the bottom of your hips, through the bottoms of your feet, through the base of your spine, growing out, out, out into the earth. They're growing and stretching and anchoring you down into this planet. Take a few breaths here as you allow your imagination and your conscious awareness to really let these roots grow and expand. I feel moved to call on the energy of the mighty cypress tree. The mighty cypress tree is able to grow in land that is covered with water because it allows its roots to shoot up as well as down. I invite you now, as your roots continue to stretch through the earth and grow and push through concrete and rock and crystal and meld with this planet, I invite you to imagine that parts of your roots are able to grow up. Like the mighty cypress, our knees, our roots can push up, 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 out of the ground, out of the water to get the oxygen that we need so that we do not drown. Our roots simultaneously anchoring us into the ground while also stretching up towards the sky. Breathe here. Feeling that dualistic, that oppositional pull of letting your roots stretch down, 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 and grow up, up, up. And as we attune to the energy of our roots, simultaneously gripping into the ground and stretching up towards the sky, I invite the Reiki to surround our roots, work with our roots, flow into us through our roots. We'll take a few breaths here, breathing in, feeling the Reiki and vibrant earth energy move in through our roots, into our bodies. Breathing out, letting that energy take root within us. Breathing in again, feeling that Reiki move in through our roots from above and below, moving into our bodies. And on our exhale, we let that energy take up more space within us. We'll take one more breath like that. Breathing in, pulling the Reiki in through our roots that are in the ground and our roots that stretch up to the sky. And on our exhale, we let that energy take root within us. From this firmly rooted place, like the mighty cypress tree, we are able to grow in deep waters. I want you to imagine the energy of a river, the current of a river. And as that river works with the Reiki, it starts to wash down over you, through the crown of your head, moving down, down your face, down your neck, down your shoulders, all the way down your back body towards your hips, flowing out through your roots. That current, that river that is the Reiki energy continues to flow through the top of your head, flowing down, filling your face, flowing over your front body and your shoulders and down your arms, flowing down the front of your chest and your belly all the way to your hips, down into the roots and into the earth. Once again, that watery, fluid Reiki energy flows in through the crown of our head, washing down the sides of our face, down the sides of our body, down our underarms and our side ribs, all the way down our legs, all the way down our toes. Breathe here, feeling the flow of that watery Reiki energy flowing in through the crown of our head, all the way through our bodies, out through our roots, through our fingertips, through the base of our spine. Like the mighty river, this Reiki flows through us, flowing into every crevice of our body, filling every part of us with vibrant, watery Reiki love. Our body, like the mighty river banks, is able to hold this flow, contain this flow. Breathe in again, allowing that Reiki to flow down into your internal body, flowing down your throat, all the way down to your belly, down to your hips, through your legs and out your feet. Breathe here, allowing that Reiki energy, that watery river Reiki energy to flow through you. You are like a mighty river, and your body is like the river banks, able to hold this flow, able to expand when needed. And as this energy flows, it becomes clear that there's a message that this water energy wants to share with you. If you feel like you are open to receiving a message from water, I invite you to let that intention be known and see what comes up. Allow yourself to receive this message without judgment, without shame. Allow the message to enter in through your heart space and flow with that mighty current all the way down to your sacral space, where it melds with your creative might and moves down into your root space, anchored firmly in the ground. As this message from water firmly integrates, I invite you to send gratitude to this ancient energy of water, the holder of wisdom and memories, the giver of life, washing us clean and providing us with much needed nourishment. I invite the Reiki to flow in our bodies as water, helping us to release any blockages or dams that are preventing flow, helping to move anything that is static or stuck, clearing the muck and bringing that clear reservoir back into our being. I invite that watery Reiki to help tension be released so that flow and ease may once again find themselves at home within our bodies. Continue breathing here, allowing the Reiki to do its work, trusting the Reiki to work in our highest good. There's no need to force, just open to receive and allow. Let's take 3 more breaths with this energy, in through our nose, out through our mouth. Breathing in and out. Once more here, breathing in and out. And as we begin to wrap up this Reiki healing session, I invite the Reiki to spiral once more through our body, starting at the crown of our head and spiraling down, down, down through our third eye, and our throat, spiraling through our heart and our solar plexus, spiraling down through our sacral space and our root chakra all the way down into the ground, clearing us, grounding us, removing any residual energy that is not in service to our highest good, helping us come closer to the completion of this session. And as our roots begin to retract back up into our bodies, coming back to ourselves, I invite the Reiki to spiral with our roots in an upward motion, up, 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 spiraling up through our root, up to our sacral space, spiraling up through our solar plexus towards our heart. Through our heart, it spirals and up to our throat. Through our throat, it spirals up to our brow. Through our brow, it spirals all the way up to our crown. And its spiral continues above us. Above and below, this Reiki spirals through us, and I ask it to put us in a protective light, so that when we move forward from this healing experience, we can be protected while also fluid. We can feel safe and secure while also feeling expansive and able to grow. Water grows to fit the space in which it is in. You too have the capacity to grow larger than the container they gave you. As we prepare to come out of this experience, I invite you to bring your awareness back to that message that the water shared with you. Let that message sink in. Let the truth of that water wisdom sink in to your body. Send gratitude to the water for working with us today. I thank the Reiki Energy for working with each of us today in a way that was perfectly aligned for us in this moment in time. And I now close that Reiki channel. I invite you to blink light back into your eyes and let your gaze fall around the space in which you're in, taking note of anything that is steady in your space, taking note of any movement that you notice around you. Be gentle with yourself, my friend, as you move forward from this Reiki experience. I hope that you feel more fluid and flow, and that you feel in deep relationship with the energy of water. Water is life. Water is us. Water is all around us. And when we tune into the wisdom that water has to share, we may find that we can overcome any obstacle and find a way through any barrier, because water finds a way. Well, thank you, my friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, my name is Kristen, and I'm the founder of Roots of Radiance Reiki. And I've worked with Reiki for many years and come to really see Reiki as an ally and a friend in my healing journey. If you'd like to experience more of this Reiki energy, I encourage you to join me in my subscription spaces. I'll put links below. I invite you to reach out to me if you'd like to have a Reiki healing session, or if you're interested in being trained in Reiki. Reiki is a wonderful ally in our path back to wholeness, in our path towards liberation and justice, in our path towards healing, reparations, and transformation. We don't have to do this alone, my friend. The Reiki is only waiting for our permission to support us. If you feel that call, I encourage you to reach out to me. Again, my name is Kristen, and I would love to initiate you into this Reiki community. I hope this leaves you feeling nourished, flowing. And I'd love to hear any of the messages that came through from you from water in the comments below. I'd love to hear what those messages are, and I'm sure our community would love to hear them too. Be like water, my friend. Bye now.